Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums. Today is the 184th episode and hope you guys you did your best in your prelims. Now let us move on, and we have started a new month, and today I'll be taking questions right on geography. So the first MCQ: which of the following are the two main constituents of granite? Their options are iron and nickel, B. Silica and aluminium, C. Iron and silver, and D. Iron oxide and potassium. So just you know the drill guys, pause the video and let's see the answer. So answer is B. The correct answer is silica and aluminium. And so granite is a light colored igneous rock that forms when magma it cools and then it slowly goes underground, right? Now the second MCQ. So consider the following statements regarding Periyar River. So is it the first statement says it is the longest river of Kerala. Second statement states that there is a marginal difference in the catchment area of Bharatpula and Periyar rivers. Third statement says it is also known as Ponnani River. So your options are 1 only, B 2 only, C 3 only, or D none of the above, right? Now let us see the answer. Answer is B. So it is actually the second only. So Kerala has narrow coastline and the longest river in Kerala is Bharatpula, not Periyar, and Bharatpula is known as Ponnani river, not Periyar, and Periyar is the second largest river of Kerala, and there is marginal difference in the catchment area of both the rivers Bharatpula and Periyar river. Moving ahead, which of the following is not a form of valley? Okay, I think it's an easy question. So option A says V shaped, B spur, C U shaped, D gentle. Now let us see the answer guys. So answer is D. Here they have asked which of the following is not, right? So slope is not a type of valley. Valley types are V shaped, U shaped, gorge, spur, and there are types of slopes, and they are classified into gentle, steep, concave, convex, and irregular or undulating. So a geomorphic features, right, which lies between earth or ridges, and it is the result of erosion, lateral erosion by river or glacier, that is actually known as a valley. Now let us see the fourth MCQ. So which of the following statements are correct? Okay, so the first statement says Himalayan rivers have very large basins, whereas peninsular rivers have very smaller basin. C says, second statement says Himalayan rivers are seasonal, they are dependent on the monsoon rainfall. Statement 3 says peninsular rivers are relatively older rivers than Himalayan rivers. Fourth statement says Himalayan rivers drain in the dendritic pattern in plains. The options are 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 3 and 2. Now let us see the answer. It is C actually. Here you can relate. So the Himalayan rivers they have they are covered with glaciers, and they are perennial and they are not dependent on monsoon rainfall, right? And they receive glacier they receive water from glaciers and rainfall, whereas peninsular are seasonal, right? Seasonal rivers, they are dependent on monsoon rainfall, and then drainage pattern, as you can see, the Himalayan rivers, they their type of drainage is dendritic fashion when they arrive at plains, whereas the peninsular rivers, they are superimposed, and you can see they form trellis, radial, rectangle. All these pattern you would have studied in your geography. Now, and the nature is long course, their course is very long of the Himalayan river, whereas peninsular, it is shorter and fixed. Then catchment area, as you can see, Himalayan rivers comparatively they are large, they have larger basins, and relatively peninsular rivers are have smaller basins, but it is not a rule. Okay, so relatively it is smaller, not that it is very small. Okay, it depends on the river as well. Then the age of the rivers, obviously Himalayan rivers are youthful, they are young, and the peninsular rivers are quite older. Now let us move ahead, and we have arrived to the final MCQ. So which one of the following is not a sedimentary rock? Your options are tilite, breccia, borax, marble. Very easy question. Now let us see the answer. So marble is the correct answer. It is not a sedimentary rock. It is metamorphic rock that has morphosed. Morphosed limestone. So with this we have completed today's MCQs, and we'll be back after. So bye guys.